Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and this is the first installment of our Ride Wrench Review series with Harley-Davidson. What we're doing is we are taking a brand new 2021 Street Glide with a really cool snake venom paint job, and we're going to upgrade it with Harley-Davidson's parts and accessories. Yes, we are putting a bunch of pretty parts on it to make it look good, but also we are using Harley-Davidson's Screamin' Eagle line, and we're putting a 131-inch motor right in this bike. In the first part of this video, we are going to ride this bike in its stock form, hence the word ride. The second part of this video is going to be the wrenching part. That is when we get down and dirty on this bike, swapping parts out and making this thing scream. The third and final part of these videos is the review. We're going to put it on a dyno, get you some real numbers, and then ride it on the open road. For 2021, Harley's done a bunch of different things on these bikes. One of them being the dash is new and the single gas cap. Looks really cool, it cleans up the bike a lot. I really like the way the black finishes on the motor parts and the front end and everything like that. It does separate it from years of chrome bikes that Harley's had. Even the stock seat's pretty comfortable on these bikes for turning up some real deal miles. The 114 cubic inch motor is very powerful from the factory, but there's always room for improvement. For 2021, Harley-Davidson went back to the cable actuated clutch. I actually think the overall feel is much better. Harley also has an updated, little more sleeker engine guard. Now that we put a fair few miles on it in its stock form, we are gonna take it to the collective in Phoenix, Arizona, and do a bunch of upgrades on it. Stay tuned.